Hey guys, this is a practice for the Fuel and Firepower and Illinois Air Guns Air Rifle Championship. I'm using the Barra 1866. I changed out the scope to a BSA 4x9 by 40. It's the only scope that I have that I can actually see the targets below the crosshairs. My 4x32 Simmons scopes I use are great for quarter size at 25 yards. Actually, the crosshairs covered the bullseye targets. So, using this one. Yeah, I'm using the Norma Golden Trophy FT 10 pumps. Won't wear out my arm with this because these are easy to pump. But it will take time, so let's get moving. This one definitely popped. Yeah, I'm not sure. Or I think it's going to have flyers. I'm going to give her a shot. Let's go. The first couple, I'll turn the camera off. Here we go. First up, I think, is Rod. I'm not going to do Justin first at Fuel and Firepower. Next up is Hank, I think. Indiana Air Guns. Ooh, that one carried. All right, I'm gonna have to shut off the camera here. We'll pick it up on maybe the last shot. Well, I guess it didn't do that great. We're on the last shot with the extra point. It's it's just a Hail Mary shot. If I hit it, it will be more luck than anything else. But you have zero chance if you don't even take the shot. I think when I do a little analysis on it, you'll see that probably got close to quarter group with an occasional flyer, which is this level of gun does at 25 yards, I think. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and shoot the last one. I don't even know where that hit. Anyway, I was aiming a half inch off of the target at the 11 o'clock position. Okay, guys, here's the target. I'll do some real quick analysis on this in a second. There's the Barra back there. That's the last time you'll probably see that with that scope on it. I think I'm going back to the 4x32. But let's go over this. We'll start off with, this is a quarter, and that's what I usually go for. And it's the same size as this Daisy Shoot and See. And here is the little stickers you put over the marks on a previously shot target. And you'll note that they're the same size. We're going to use that to establish patterns. Using this old nail here. Fuel and Firepower was there. Illinois Air Guns was there. Indiana Air Guns was there. Backyard Dispatcher was here. Walnut and steel, pretty close to a bullseye. Lead fever, about there. M7 outdoors. Johnny BB Gunner was right in there. Wildman Outdoors. Papa T's Adventures. Johnny BB Gunner. No, that's me, I guess. Yeah, that's me. So that would be just off to the side. Off the shelf air guns was down and low. Pro. Johnny Mac. Simply Air Guns. Air Guns of Alaska. John Lavin Ford Tactical. Derek's Adventures. Right in there. Painted Preppers. What's over here? And I forget what the names. One is way off, but when you look at the shot groups, it's starting to make sense. This one's just right below it. This one's back up again. And this one is off to the side, up here. Here's where I was aiming, and the actual hit was right there. There's a quarter group there, so I was off on the scope, but it doesn't matter. I still would have not hit all those targets. Here's another quarter for that gun. That's just one or two clicks on the scope. Part of it's the scope. The other part is what I call your low budget pumpers, or I call it my lightweight grouping. You're shooting for a quarter pattern, and with that many shots, that's actually pretty good for a pumper. Maybe next year we'll get it down perfected. I don't know. Something to work on. It's definitely a challenge. If you like it, please leave your comments and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead. Thanks. See you on the next video.